Welcome to our detailed visual documentary of the Volvo car production journey at the European Volvo facilities, focusing especially on the manufacturing of the all-new Volvo XC40 and EX40 models. Join us as we walk through the various production stages, from the precision of the welding shop to the meticulous final quality checks. Let's dive into the artistry and technological brilliance that defines Volvo's legacy. Welding shop. Our tour begins at the welding shop, the heartbeat of Volvo's manufacturing process. Here, highly automated robotic arms perform intricate welding tasks with unmatched precision. These robots work in perfect harmony to join body panels, ensuring structural integrity and passenger safety. The spot welds, laser welds, and seam sealing techniques used at this stage create a durable, crash-resistant vehicle body. In the case of the Volvo XC40 and EX40, ultra-high-strength steel is heavily utilized, necessitating advanced welding technologies. Human operators supervise and occasionally perform manual welding, where robotic access is limited, guaranteeing the highest quality. The welding shop showcases Volvo's commitment to both automation and craftsmanship. Next, we move to the paint shop, where raw bodies are transformed into beautifully finished vehicles. The process begins with meticulous surface preparation, followed by immersion in a chemical bath for corrosion protection. The bodies then pass through an electrocoating e-coat process, ensuring complete coverage and resistance against rust. Robotic paint applicators spray layer after layer of primer, color, and clear coat with surgical precision. Quality inspections are rigorous. Technicians inspect for even the slightest blemish, ensuring that every Volvo that leaves the factory gleams with perfection. Each paint layer is baked in high-temperature ovens to cure the surface, ensuring durability and a flawless finish. In addition to standard paint options, Volvo offers sustainable water-based paints that reduce environmental impact. For the X40 electric models, the next critical stage is battery block assembly. Specialized teams work in climate-controlled environments to assemble the high-voltage lithium-ion battery packs. Each battery cell is carefully placed and connected to maximize efficiency, range, and safety. Battery management systems, BMS, are installed and tested rigorously to ensure optimal performance. Drivetrain assembling. The drivetrain is the heart of both electric and hybrid Volvo models. In this phase, motors, inverters, and transmission units are assembled into a cohesive system. For electric variants like the EX40, powerful electric motors replace traditional combustion engines. Welding drivetrain to body. One of the most visually impressive stages is the welding process, the joining of the drivetrain and body. Giant robotic arms lift the body and gently lower it onto the assembled drivetrain, perfectly aligning the components. This precise operation ensures optimal balance, structural integrity, and vibration control. Bolts are torqued to exact specifications, securing the marriage of power and design. The successful completion of this stage signifies a major milestone in the vehicle's birth. Assembly car interiors. Moving forward, we enter the interior assembly area. This is where Volvo's luxurious Scandinavian design philosophy comes to life. Skilled hands install dashboards, infotainment systems, seat frames, door panels, and soft materials. Special attention is paid to ergonomics, tactile feel, and premium finishes. Leather seats, recycled material trims, and advanced safety systems such as airbags are meticulously installed. Next comes the installation of the windshield and panoramic roof, where massive sheets of glass are delicately maneuvered into place using precision-guided robotic arms. Sealing must be flawless to ensure safety, aerodynamics, and weather protection. On the final assembly line, all the earlier work comes together. Technicians install the wheels, attach badges, align doors, adjust headlights, and fill essential fluids. At this stage, wiring harnesses and electronic modules are also connected, ensuring seamless operation of digital interfaces and safety technologies. Vehicles are programmed with their software and electronics calibrated. Brake checks, steering alignment, and sensor calibration. The final trim pieces and quality accents are installed with utmost care. Before advancing to the next phase, each car undergoes a comprehensive inspection to catch any minor issues. The last stop is the quality shop, where every vehicle undergoes exhaustive evaluation. Cars are subjected to visual inspections under bright lights, functional tests, road simulations, and water leak tests. The quality team checks every aspect, from paint finish to mechanical performance to electronic system accuracy. Any minor discrepancies are corrected immediately. Only after passing this rigorous scrutiny is a Volvo EX30 deemed ready for delivery to customers worldwide. Volvo's relentless commitment to quality and safety ensures that each car embodies the brand's philosophy, designed around you.